In this video, we are going to show you how to set up OAuth for Zendesk apps. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your Zendesk account, and once you are logged in, you are going to be on your dashboard and look towards your upper left corner. It's going to show you, for me and for people who work on tickets a lot, it's going to show support. So click on the drop down like so. This will pop up. You want to click on the very last option that says Admin Center. Now here, if you click on this, a new tab will appear on your browser. Wait for it to load. And here, you want to look towards your left-hand side, which is practically going to be your main menu here. So if you hover your mouse or your cursor on each, you're going to see which is which. You want to click on apps and integrations over here, like so. This will appear. Now go scroll a bit down until you see APIs, right? So under APIs, you want to click on OAuth clients like so. Wait for it to load again. There we go. So here you need to pretty much set up everything. So click on I understand, get started, and add OAuth client is what you want to do. So click on that and just fill in everything here. So you want to fill in the name, the description, the company, the logo, if you have any identifier, what kind of client, right? Private, public, or confidential, and other URLs that you want, and secrets. And then after that, you can click save. And after that, you will be good to go and you'll have your OAuth set up. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.